Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic about making connections and leaving a positive impression on people in just 90 seconds. So, if you want to become a likable person, whether it's in social settings or professional environments, then stay tuned because we're about to share 9 practical tips that really work. Let's get started. One, the power of first impression. We've all heard about the importance of first impression and how crucial those initial moments are. When we meet new people, within the first 90 seconds, we form judgments about them. When you see someone new walking in, and as they enter with a warm smile and greet you with genuine enthusiasm, you immediately feel drawn to them. They introduce themselves confidently, with a firm handshake. Their positive energy is contagious, and they make an effort to maintain eye contact during conversations, making you feel heard and valued. You feel an instant connection about these type of people, and are impressed by their authenticity and empathy. In just those first 90 seconds, they've left a lasting impression, and you'll be friends for a long time. Whenever you are meeting new people, try this technique and make those first 90 seconds count. 2. Smile and show positive energy. One of the simplest, yet most powerful ways to connect with people is through a genuine smile. Smiling not only puts you and others at ease, but also projects a positive and approachable vibe. Imagine you're at a local coffee shop, waiting in line to order your favorite drink. As you stand there, a stranger enters the shop with a big, genuine smile on their face. Their positive energy makes the atmosphere instantly brighter. When they catch your eye, they nod and give you a warm, friendly smile. Without a word exchanged, you feel at ease, and instinctively return the smile. In those brief moments, a connection is made, and you find yourself looking forward to striking up a conversation with this cheerful stranger. That's the power of a smile and positive energy, which acts as a magnetic pull that draws people closer. People are naturally drawn to those who radiate positive energy, so let your smile do the talking. Comment yes if you have made such connections in the past. 3. Engaging eye contact. Making eye contact is another essential aspect of building rapport. It shows that you are present and interested in the conversation. Be sure not to stare intensely, but rather maintain soft, friendly eye contact. It helps foster trust and openness. Imagine you're at a party, and you spot someone across the room who seems interesting. As you walk over to introduce yourself, you catch their eye and flash a warm, genuine smile. Your eyes lock for a moment, and you maintain soft, engaging eye contact as you approach. This non-verbal gesture immediately puts both of you at ease, and sets the stage for a positive interaction. Throughout the conversation, you continue to make eye contact, showing that you're fully present and interested in what they have to say. The connection you establish through this simple act of engaging eye contact lays the foundation for a potential new friendship or meaningful connection. 4. Use the power of your body language. Our body language speaks volumes about our feelings and intentions. Stand or sit up straight, open up your arms, and maintain an open posture. This non-verbal communication signals that you're receptive and approachable. When you meet someone, always make a handshake. Aim for a firm, yet not overpowering handshake. It demonstrates confidence and assertiveness, while also showing respect. Your positive and open body language immediately puts them at ease, and they respond with friendly smiles. As the conversation progresses, you actively listen and show genuine interest, mirroring their body language to build rapport. 5. Find common ground. Within the first 90 seconds, try to find common ground with the other person. Ask open-ended questions, and actively listen to their responses. Look for shared interests, experiences, or values that can help establish a bond. When meeting someone, you discover that you both share a passion for travel and photography. So, you excitedly exchange stories of your favorite destinations and show each other pictures on your phones. Finding this common ground creates an instant connection and mutual interest, making the conversation flow effortlessly. 6. Be authentic and understanding. Authenticity is key to making lasting connections. Be yourself, and let your enthusiasm shine through. People are naturally attracted to genuine individuals who are passionate about what they do and who they are. During the first 90 seconds, try to show empathy and understanding towards the other person. Listen actively and respond thoughtfully. This creates a sense of comfort and connection, making the other person more likely to warm up to you. 7. Compliment sincerely. We all love compliments. Giving sincere compliments can go a long way in making someone like you. When you notice something you genuinely admire about the other person, don't hesitate to share it. Just make sure your compliments are heartfelt and authentic. And there you have it. These are the 7 simple yet powerful techniques by which you can make a lasting impact on people, whether it's in your personal or professional life. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments which technique you find most effective, or if you have any other tips for making a great first impression. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on personal development and self-improvement. Until next time, stay positive and keep building those connections.